I'm going to open my big lollipop.
Mom, can open that?
Help me. Mama will help.
Oh,
You show the video. What's inside?
but wow, it's all lollipop.
Show Dali. How many lollipops are there?
5.
No, you can't Dali.
Out 10.
It's 10. Wow.
Yeah.
So what flavor? You show them the flavor. You show the flavor. This is what's that? Chocolate. You show. This is chocolate. You show her.
This
This is
is strawberry.
yes. What else?
This is
What's this? Can I read? Lemon. Lemon.
this is
This is cola. Cola flavor. Cola.
soya. What flavor? Strawberry. I believe strawberry white caramel. And yes, strawberry dye. Pipa poo poo. Pipa poo poo.
Third is eating. Look.
Mom, tell not to be